I wanted to show a trick that I'm using in most of my applications to allow the admins and the owner of the application to talk, to communicate with the users. And this is not straightforward using, say, a text input, because this text input would be version dependent, which means that if I have a new version, the text input doesn't update. In order to solve this problem, I created a collection called communications, which has, in this case, you can have as many variables as you want. And this is basically simply a list of some information that you want to say to your audience. By doing this, if you launch a new version and the user doesn't update the application to the new version, you can still visualize new content to him, as we can see here. So this content is coming from the database, and this means that it doesn't matter the app version that you have.